Hey you guys, if you all would like to see how I got this super cute and pretty to find wash and go only from using one product from Groveda Hair Solutions, then just keep watching this video. Okay y'all, so I was supposed to do a length check today. I don't think I am. I'm about to do a quick 1 minute wash and go. Not 1 minute, one product wash and go. Using Groveda Hair Solutions. I'm just using this Aloe Rose Bentonite Clay Souffle. I'm gonna do it very quickly because I don't have any time at all. I gotta have this ready in like 5 minutes so I can get dressed. So I'm gonna do my hair very quickly. And when I do my length check, I'll just do it next week, you know, and I'll figure it out. I don't know, but I have to freaking hurry up. Okay y'all, so this video is going to be a mix of voiceovers and me just talking throughout it, so I'm just warning you. But the first thing I'm going to do is spritz my hair with water, and then I'm going to go in with my Evolve brush. It's basically like a Denman brush, just a different brand, and I'm going to use that to thoroughly detangle. Like I mentioned, I am in a rush, so in just a second you're going to see me squeeze the water out of my hair to kind of quicken up the dry time once it's finished. I'm going to go in with this Aloe Rose Hair Milk Night Leave-In Conditioner, and it's no specific reason why I'm using this one instead of the day one. This is just the first one I grabbed, literally. So I'm going to just add a nice amount to my hand and apply it like I would any other, you know, product. This is just a quick base just to make sure that I have, you know, just a little extra moisture. I don't know, or definition. I don't know what I'm trying to do. Now I'm going to go in with the Aloe Rose Bentonite Clay Souffle. If you've been following me, you already know what this is. Smells delicious. And now, like I just mentioned, I'm just working it in on both sides. And since this is my main product, like my other product, the night hair milk that I use was so light, it was just literally just a base. I could have not used water and just used that because that's how light, you know, it is. Although it is moisturizing, but I wanted to, you know, be a little heavy-handed with this just so my hair can get super moisturized. And I wanted my ends to be moisturized as well. So as you see right here, I am focusing on my ends. I'm spraying some water on my hair just to loosen up my curls a bit. So when I detangle, it'll be easier with the product in my hair. And also to help, you know, activate the product some more. You know, that's another good reason to spray water as you're doing your hair. But I didn't want to spray too much. But right now I'm detangling and just kind of clumping my curls together. So now I'm going to go in with this Groveda Hair Serum. And I'm going to work the hair serum in from ends to roots, being very generous. I really want to seal in my moisture. Okay, so now I'm about to quickly let my hair air dry for just a couple minutes while I get dressed, and then I'll be back to kind of lay my edges. Okay, y'all, so for my edges, I am, ignore that tab back there. I'm gonna wet my toothbrush. So as y'all can see, I have this clear gel inside of this Eco jar. Well, this gel is actually Wetline Extreme. I don't really like this gel for my edges, but I'm gonna see how we'll lay this section down and we'll see how that goes. So I'm gonna just kind of dab it in there. And right now I am more so laying this side down versus laying my edges, if that makes sense. I'm just trying to smooth this side over. I really wanted that sleek side look. So you see I'm adding more gel, and then in a second I will lay my edges, and I'll show you that in just a sec. So for my actual baby hairs, I'm going to use the Gorilla Snot in the purple jar. It's the sports one. This one has a max 10 hold as well. I know y'all mostly see the yellow one. This one has a max 10 hold as well, and I really like this. But right now I'm just laying my edges, and I'm using that metal tip comb to, you know, just fix it up and make it look neater. But yeah, I'm going to just be quiet and let you see me finish it. I saw a little area that looked a little frizzy, so I'm actually going in with this Evolve brush to kind of smooth it to eliminate the frizz. And right now I'm going in with just a little bit of Gorilla Snot gel and kind of setting my edges, that's what I call it, just to make sure it's no way possible for them to fly up, that they are completely smooth. And I really like that smooth look, that sleek look, especially once your hair dries. So I'm smoothing this side of my part as well. So this right here is my wet results. This is how it's looking nice and moisturized. As you can see, you can probably see where I will have frizz at because it's not completely smooth. But yeah, so right now you're gonna see me put on my earrings before, you know, I get ready to go. I wanted to show you how cute I was getting. I'm going to come back and show y'all the full dry results, but until then, I hope y'all, you know, like the wet results. And I literally got this finished in like less than 10 minutes, so yeah, y'all. So I'm going to see y'all in a bit. Okay, y'all, so this is the dry results. I have a spin around video that I will probably insert right now. As you see, my hair is actually very defined and it has a wonderful shine. The lighting in my room really doesn't show that in the other clips, but this bathroom clip, you see all the beautifulness of this wash and go. So as you can see by that video, my hair is quite defined. As you can see, and then look, a lot of my ends, even though the roots is kind of like, you know, very soft and semi-separated, a lot of my ends are clumped together like this. And I think that's because of my diamond brush that I have. I don't know, but my results look really good. As y'all probably know, if I haven't mentioned it, this is my first wash and go since last year, literally. So in over 6 months, I want to say. And it looks this freaking good, and this is just a one product wash and go. I didn't even use much of this Aloe Rose Hair Milk Night Leave-In Conditioner to like make a difference with like the definition. I applied this solely for moisture, and my hair is super moisturized. And then this product is a leave-in conditioner, and as y'all know, like I've said on many occasions, it's actually very, very lightweight. It literally smells delicious. But it's like a lightweight product, but it's super, super moisturizing. So for my hair, it's actually good for one product wash and go. But if I would have used the Curlastic Relief, which is more so of a gel type of consistency, like it's a custard, in my personal opinion, that's how I would describe it. But it's more so of a gel. So if I would have used that, I would have hit like a lot more definition, like in, I guess it's in my crown area. I don't know. I probably would have hit a lot more definition right there though. But I like the poofiness right here, and then the defined ends. It just gives me more volume, even though in some people's opinions my hair might be flat. And it's not like, it's not super flat to me, is what I'm trying to say. Like, I like it. It looks good. It's super defined. And I liked the drying process. I like how my hair looks wet, I like how it looks dry, and I like how it looked everywhere in between. And yeah, so I really do like this little wash and go. I'm going to upload a second wash and go video after this one, and it's going to be of me using the Curlastic Brulee as well, so y'all can get like a true defined wash and go, because I don't think I've ever done a wash and go with the both of those. I have done a wash and go, another wash and go with the Mint Night Clay Souffle, and I've done a wash and go using only the Curlastic Brulee. I will link all those videos down below. But yeah, I'm going to do another wash and go before I call it quits. And y'all will see that soon. So, but this is day one. It's a little poofy right here, but again, I don't mind because my ends look beautiful. My ends look beautiful. So yeah, just stay tuned. Yeah, so if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give me a big old thumbs up, comment down below anything you want, share this video with a friend, and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to see y'all in my next one. Bye.